for joining us here on Wave News at 3 on this election day. I'm Myra Ansari. We begin with some big breaking election news after several reports of technical issues at the polls here in Jefferson County today. Kentucky Democrats, they are now pushing to get polling hours extended. Ward Jollis is following the latest for us. And Ward, how does something like this move forward?
Yeah, Myra, well, the answer is it's not really clear yet because local election officials like those at the Jefferson County Clerk's office have no authority to decide if polls are open later or not. But Kentucky Secretary of State Michael Adams says if someone has been inconvenienced by these issues, they can petition the court for an extension. Well, just within the past hour, members of the Kentucky Democratic Party did just that, filing suit against the Jefferson County Clerk and the Jefferson County Board of Elections, pointing to the numerous issues with certain polling machines this morning that led to delays and long lines for several hours. So, similar to the request from Mayor Craig Greenberg earlier today, the Kentucky Democratic Party is now petitioning the court for polling hours to be extended from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. The lawsuit says, in part, I want to read a small bit for you, quote, "The machines shut down, crashed, or otherwise erred in finding voters such that there were numerous instances of voters unable to be checked in and issued ballots. As a result, polling locations across Jefferson County have not been continuously opened as required." And it goes on to say extending polling hours in Jefferson County to 8 p.m. is necessary and appropriate because defendant is depriving voters in Jefferson County of their fundamental right to vote. So some strong accusations there. Secretary of State Michael Adams says he is open to the idea if the request is specific to the voting locations that were affected today. And some more breaking news just within the past few minutes, Myra. We are told that the judge who will ultimately decide this case is at the Jefferson County Board of Elections office right now. There will likely not be a court hearing. The judge will just decide whether or not there is a case and then potentially issue a decision. But the clock is ticking right now. Polls close in just under 3 hours, Myra.
All right, a lot to go through today. Thank you so much.